Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the classic Chinese Wonton Soup. So ahead of time, I took a half pound of minced chicken, tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 2 tablespoons of Chive, and a teaspoon of salt. Ran that through the processor until it was mixed and well incorporated, and I filled about anywhere from 2 to 3 dozen wontons. You can do that ahead of time. I threw these in the freezer and pulled them out just to get to room temperature before I start here today. For this recipe, I'm using 8 wontons. So to start, you start by adding your sesame oil and allow that to heat up. Peanut oil is also a good substitute. Once heated, I'm adding in my ginger and the minced garlic. You want to let this cook for about anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. Right, after 2 to 3 minutes, go ahead and add in your wontons. The reason I'm adding it now is because I want the wonton skin to absorb that oil that has been infused with the ginger and garlic. Give it a good mix to ensure all your wontons are fully coated in the garlic and ginger mixture. Once that is done, go ahead and add your vegetable stock and soy sauce. Let's just give it a mix. Scrape down the sides of your pot just so you don't miss out on any of that ginger and garlic. Right, and next you want to cover it. Raise the heat to high and bring it up to a boil. So our mixture is boiling. So the next step, you want to reduce this to a simmer and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Let me just check to make sure none of the wontons are sticking. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so you just want to let this go for 5 minutes again. During this time, the nuttiness of the sesame oil, the bittersweet, pungent garlic flavor, the spicy earthiness of the ginger will marry with the multi-flavored vegetable stock and full, robust flavor of the soy sauce to give you that classic, rich, wonderful wonton soup taste. So we're gonna just let this go for 5 minutes and come back. So it's been 5 minutes now. So to finish, we're gonna add salt to help elevate all the flavors in our soup to give it that lovely herbaceous aroma. And that's it. As simple as that.